All right, so we have a no cooling call at my house. No blower motor, no outdoor unit, nothing. I'm gonna check the drain first because it's breaking red. Oh boy. I thought it was getting hot in the house. Well, there's no water in the pan, but I did hook up the SS2. So let's see if the... no, I don't know. Nope, it's dry. All right, let me go get the tool bag. I'm gonna see if we got a breaker trip first, but I doubt it. All right, I'll walk around over here, see if we got a breaker tripped. Nope, everything looks good. The tool bag, which I don't have because my truck is in the shop. Great. All right, so like I said, my truck is in the shop, getting a new tie rod. It'll be ready tomorrow. So my helper, my other tech, brought me his tool bag, but his meter's not in it. So now I've got to try to, oh look, I left a pair of needle nose up here last time I was here. That's where they went. So now I got to try to see what I can do without a meter. I have spare meters, but they're all in my truck. I ain't gonna be able to do much without a damn meter. I think we got a blown fuse though. But he's looking in his truck to see if he sees the meter. Got the power off. Yeah, we blew a fuse. And I don't want to put a new fuse in there until I check the contactor. Oh man. I really don't think I have a spare meter here at the house. And I can't check ohms or anything. All right, I have to wait for him to call back. All right, guys, I found a spare meter, thank God. Let me get a nut driver. I left the drill upstairs. I think the contactor's shorted out.
Jazzy smells something on there. She keeps smelling it.
Jet Nelly.
That's all you do.
I really like these New York Lux Air units if they weren't microchannel. You can get the non-microchannel ones, but they don't stock them. Okay. Let me pull the disconnect. Disconnect is out. Of course, they put the whip so tight, you can't even get the damn cover off hardly. This is one of them little SC 260 meters. It's got a magnet on the back. Pull the low voltage wires off. I'll mount this contactor. Eight 18.14, that shouldn't be a problem. So now back to the attic. And I don't have anything to protect that fuse with because I don't have my tool bag, and my helper doesn't have a short tool of any kind. I knew I had this meter somewhere. I just didn't know exactly where it was. Yeah, me and the wife, we spend a lot of time outside, but because we have a nice little couch, one of our old couches, and a TV and everything where we watch football and grill out. But I went inside. The wife likes to stay outside a lot later at night than I do. So I went in to go chill, and I noticed that it was really warm in the house. So I pulled up the app on my thermostat, and I noticed that I had it set on 70 and it was 77 in the house. So I said, oh shit, looks like my unit's messed up. I was hoping it would have just been the drain, but of course I didn't get that lucky. What the hell is my pen doing out here? Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Trying to get y'all the best light I can. Okay. One more screw in the middle. Can't even see the damn thing. There it is. All right, I'll put that back together. Put the disconnect back in. All right, let's go back to the attic.
We have some of our favorite chefs.
Here's our outdoor setup with the TV. We spent a lot of time out here, but like I said, when I went inside, I noticed it was warm.
And we're here to take care of them and their families. So that's where it is.
Candace is talking to her babies. a Chihuahua, a deer-headed Chihuahua, and a French Bulldog. I hate to go stick a fuse in here and something else happens because I don't have another damn fuse. I really don't have much of a choice. Okay, the fuse did not blow, so I'm gonna test the functions here. What the hell? Jump in the fan. Condenser came on. Unless it's my thermostat. Unless my thermostat's got a short in it. It's a brand new Ecobee, which doesn't mean anything. We'll go see what happens when we go to the thermostat.
We're going for fight!
All right, the thermostat's back on. And it looks like it's holding, like it's cooling. Let's see if it stayed on. Yeah, it's running. That was weird. Why would it have blown the fuse? It's pulling hot air and coming back cool. That's a weird one. I'm gonna let it sit a while, see what it does. Because it was, I mean, y'all saw, I don't know if y'all saw, but that fuse was blown.